weather is nice every day. Today is another sea day. Breakfast omelette. Every day there's so many trivias at the lobby and people can participate. And today is emoji trivia.
Yes. At least one. Yay! We're now moving on to the second round.
There's a cha-cha dance class happening right now. Everyone's having fun.
And cha-cha-cha back. And cha-cha-cha front. Cha-cha-cha back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Tap back. Down. And cha-cha-cha down.
$242. $242. Deal or no deal? That's looking good. $242. Nope, not quite. No deal.
We just wanted to grab some food because we were a little bit hungry. It's okay. Don't worry. Wings and sandwich and watching people playing Pictionary. What's that? Alien monkey? Dinner at Manhattan Room. Appetizers, Asian summer rolls and white cheddar and potato soup. Let's get started. This is our main dish. I ordered pesto, New York steak and fries. Ta-da! Ready? Okay, let's eat. This is our dessert. This is brownie s'mores. This is banana foster. Morning. Today is a port day and we're going to Mexico. Ready? Yeah. Excited?
Yeah.
We still don't know what we do, but we will figure it out. Let's go.
Let's go.
Just got off the ship. It's so huge. I like the painting. We are at the beach and we are taking boat to a snorkeling place where we can snorkel. She's so excited.
Hello.
What are you gonna do?
I've got a coconut straw.
Like for our friend. And then we're going.
We took a vlog.
Going to snorkeling.
I need to follow you.
Wow, so pretty.
Yeah, because
There's some blue feet birds here. That's so cool. We are in a cave now.
Hey guys, look at the bumblebee.
Is it hard?
Yeah. We have a lot in
It's
the
harder than I thought.
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah. It's awesome. Yeah.
But it could explode.
I live in the
Bye.
in the small
Have
island.
fun. Bye. Sorry to bother you. Oh my god, I love this boat tour. So nice.
Wow, so good. Water is so pretty.
Yeah.
I see something red.
Just finished snorkeling. just finished snorkeling and we're gonna rest on this beach. Coconut. And then eat some tacos at this restaurant. Beach time. Wow, look at this view. Wow. We now stop at downtown. Look at the view. Taking some pictures. Okay, we done all the shopping and food, and now we're going back to our cruise. Wow, looks so beautiful. We're back to the ship and just found a lounge to chill a bit. Got some snacks and dessert. Wow, the whole turkey. That's cool. Look at this cute dessert. I want every single of them. So many options. It's actually pretty safe in the city. We're leaving, going to the next stop. Fairway party. Just kidding, listening to the music. There's a blind Mario Kart game happening. It's so funny. See, the person who's controlling it is actually blindfolded, and then the person behind them is actually controlling them by like touching them or patting them. Oh my god, so funny. We just finished the show. Now it's dinner time. So we are here at the Savor, deciding what to eat. We order some pork stickers, and this is my second portion. For main dish, I ordered a Hawaii pork belly, and my friend ordered lobster tails. And what's this? Shrimp?
Shrimp.
Nice.
Lemon.
Lemon shrimp. Continue doing our signature hunt. We worked so hard on this. All the staff know us. We have this TV in our room, and the cruise director and assistant cruise director, they kind of recorded every day, talking about today's highlights, the activities, sports, etc. That's pretty cool.